Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 brightness increasing and decreasing problem. First method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand monitors, right-click monitor, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Display Model. Restart system. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Display Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.